So what's going on in the market? How long it's gonna last? When those prices gonna drop? Is this is like last time? All these questions I get every day. And in today's market update, I want to combine 2 months, May and June, and show you the statistics, what's happening on the market in California, Los Angeles and Orange County in comparison. And also I'm gonna briefly go in the nationwide statistics as well, and show you why we in such a I don't think it's bubble. It's just going, the price is just going up and up and up because check on this quote from Freddie Mac, vice president, and he's saying the main driver of the housing shortfall has been the long-term decline in the construction of single-family homes. That decline has resulted in the decrease in supply of entry-level single-family homes or starter homes. So as you can see, we are short of supplies, and in simple economics, demand and supply plays major role. So we have a high demand and very low supply, and that's been going on for the last 5 years. But now, in addition to all that, we have low, very low interest rates. Money are so cheap, and if you want to start investing in real estate, start with your first home. And that's what people do. That's what those first-time home buyers on the market trying to compete against tons of cash offers from investors, and it just creates this the crazy market, the 8-10 offers on a house. And we've been keep going like this for the last since pandemic started, pretty much, since the interest rates dropped, and we just keep going. And right now I want you to check on this glance market at the glance for May and June. And if you look right here, and you can see on May 2021 that we are 86.7% yield to year existing home sales, 86.7%, and then median price is 39.1% up, and we selling homes in 7 days, and that was May, which is just few months ago. And now if you look at June market at glance, you can see that we have 30.9% increase in median price overall in California, and we selling homes a little bit slower, 8 days on the market, which is not that significant of the difference, right? And right now I also want to take you to my favorite data. So here we are, single family homes, and you can see entire MLS, which means California, and then we have Orange County and Los Angeles County, and I have 5 years on median price. So this is 5 years curve that going year after year since 2016. Look at this picture, it just keep going. We had a little dip in January, and we just keep going. Now we in May, and if you can see in Los Angeles, in entire MLS, actually we got a little bit lower on our median price, actually $10,000 difference from last month. So we'll see how July ends, but looks like a little bit decrease, right, you would say. In Los Angeles County, we do not really see it's actually increase from month to month, from May to June. And in Orange County, we have also like $20,000 increase as well. But overall, if you look right here on June, and you can see this plus 29%, that's from last year. We got increase in the median price 29%, and in Orange County it's 29.1%, and Los Angeles 28.9%. So it's pretty much, it's 29% increase in median price from last year. And if you go to year median prices, that's what you see. And the other thing I want to show you, that we have new listings on the market very linear, so we are shortage of inventories. And here closed sales, let's see what our closed sales are. High up from last year. The 33% in California, Orange County, 64.5% and 57.4% right here. If you look, it's all increase in closed sales. So, and when we check how many days on market, we can see that property is been selling very fast, 7 to 8 days. 7 to 8 days from my own practice. If when right now we're selling homes from the first showing. If the home doesn't sell from the first showing, then it's probably overpriced and or in a bad area and not desired area. So other than that, house is flying from the first showing. So if you're looking for a home, you have to really move quick. And if you get a loan, you have to compete with cash buyers, which is very strong buyers over there on the market with cash, especially when it's a little bit like investor special or some kind of fixer upper and a little need work and house is a little bit discounted than below market price. Then it's just like impossible to compete with those cash offers, even if you like 20% conventional. So but there still hope, and we keep trying. Maybe after fourth, fifth offer, you'll get it. So don't get discouraged. If you really want it, you'll get that home and you'll start investing soon. And that, remember, your first home, it's your first step to the walls. It's your investment. And moving on with our market update, I do want to show you, since I started with no constructions, right? There is so little homes being built and we don't have new homes on the market. And then looking into nationwide this housing shortage tracker, I want to show you, let me go to desktop. I want to show you why we're having such a shortage. And it says that this shortage housing shortage tracker computes how many new permits are issued for every new job in 178 metropolitan areas all over the US. Based on the historical average, 1 permit is issued for every 2 new jobs. However, that is not the case for many metropolitan areas. So way less permits are being issued, and that's why we have such a significant shortage. And look at this, California right here, all high housing shortage in California, and housing shortage which is dark red and lighter red, and it's all pretty much in California. Where do I go? Okay, right here, look at this. And that's all because there's so few permits being issued for every job, dependent jobs, right? Like right here, only 1 permit for every 15 new jobs. So no wonder we have so many home buyers on the market, because we are in shortage. And like if you go through the nationwide, you can see that Florida has the same shortage, and we have here and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and some New York area right here. Everything else looks like sufficient supply. If you can see, you can relocate maybe those places, but people losing jobs over there as well, not just gaining jobs. So some areas you need to be careful where you're relocating, because it might be not that great of the area. So do your research and make sure you go into nice growing area where you can have potentials and get that job, and or do your own business, whatever you do, so you succeed. And like all this light orange is need for more permits, so we need more permits in Riverside, Ontario, California. Look at that, Bakersfield, Fresno. We can build, need more permits. Las Vegas, Nevada, Phoenix, Arizona. Oh my gosh, in Arizona right now there are so many Californians moved in that they also struggle with a lot of things, and home prices went up. I don't know, it's like over 20% in the last 3 years. So crazy market everywhere. To summarize, I want to show you this graph on when will housing inventory, housing supply increase. What are the projection? And as you can see from this graph, that we do expect some 43% increase in 2021 second half, and we have 26% in the first half of 2020, 2022. 12% on the second half, and 9% in 2023 or later. So do you think the housing market gonna go down? What are you thinking? Should it's like, I don't know, I think like if interest rates go up a little more, and there already been higher affordability, so affordability to buy a home rose, and some percentage, like I think like 24% lately, and many buyers, if you look to surveys we do on our National Association of Real Estate, then many buyers like don't want to buy. They say like 92% of buyers, they don't want to buy right now. Market is so hot. And I will conclude on this. If you have any comments, please comment below. And this is Bogdana Dees, and I appreciate you watching and liking and subscribing. And I see you in my next video.